welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to collect and testing a tap water sample. But before we start the video, let me introduce myself. I'm Maya Asyafina and I'm student from the Laboratory Testing Analysis program. So enjoy the video, guys!
Tap water sampling means taking water directly from a faucet to check its quality. This is important to know if the water is clean, safe, and suitable for daily use. Accurate testing always begins with correct sampling. So guys, this is a tools and material. First, we need a sample bottle. Next, we need a tongs and tray. And then we have a scissors. And next we need an aluminum foil 10 by 10 centimeters, and then raffia string, next a napkin, and then a tissue. Next we have a TDS meter and pH meter, and a beaker glass, and then a label, and last we need an oven. For the chemical, we need sulfuric acid 2N, and then sodium thiosulfate 0.1N, and last a distilled water. So let's begin with the first part, preparation and sterilization of the sample bottle. First, wash your hand with running water, then wear a PPE such as gloves and a lab coat. Next step, rinse the bottle with tap water, and then swirl and clean the bottle 2 to 3 times, okay? And after that, rinse again with distilled water while shaking the bottle 2 to 3 times again. Now, add 4 drops of 0.1N sodium thiosulfate into the bottle. Next step is close the bottle tightly and cover the cap with aluminum foil. After that, tie it with a raffia string. And next step is put a label on the bottle. Finally, sterilize the bottle in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So, that's the preparation stage. Now, let's move on to the second part. Now, we are going to collect the tap water sample. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Next step is take the sterilized bottle out of the oven using tongs and a tray. Then, bring the bottle to the sampling point. Make sure it already has a label with source of water, date and time of sampling, location, weather condition, preservative added, and sampler's name. After that, wipe the tap surface with tissue. And then, open the tap and let water flow at maximum for 5 seconds. Then, sterilize the tap. For metal taps, sterilize with fire. For plastic taps, clean with alcohol swab. Next step, remove the foil and open the sample bottle. Fill the bottle with tap water until 3/4 full. And now, add 2 to 3 drops of 2N sulfuric acid as a preservative. Finally, close the bottle tightly again, cover with foil, and tie with raffia string. Great! Now the sample is ready for testing. Let's process to the last part. Now, let's test the water sample directly. First, wash your hands and wear a PPE. Then, use the pH meter to measure the pH of the water sample. Next, use the TDS meter to measure the temperature and TDS value of the water sample. Finally, write down all the results in the job sheet. Perform the test in duplicate for accuracy. And that is how to collect and test a tap water sample properly. And see you on the next video. Bye bye guys!